Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger waiting for network error. So first of all, this is related with your connection. So if your Wi-Fi is unstable, you're going to have to switch it to your mobile data or maybe use another Wi-Fi if you have it. Second thing you could try is restart your device. After restarting your device, launch a Messenger and see if it changes anything. Third, head over to your Play Store and let's make sure that our Messenger application is updated. For that, search for Messenger. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. In case you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now lastly, long tap onto Messenger and tap on the eye icon. It will open up your settings page. Scroll all the way below and tap on storage. In here, tap on clear cache. Come back onto app info page, tap forward stop, tap OK. Lastly, restart your device, then launch a Messenger and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.